Welcome to the second lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Instructions, Level 2. Today, we will take a look at how to handle scattered dots. Click Feeder Setup. A warning would show that there are over 99% are certain color in certain zone, indicating there might be scatter dots in the panel. Scattered dots can be identified by setting the maximum number of color on one course. Hover the mouse to the left edge of the ruler, right-click, and set the number of colors on each course. Identify the scattered dots. Zoom in by pressing F10. You can see red triangles. They are here to indicate the courses containing excessive number of colors than set. You can see these courses have two colors as well. You might not be able to see the scattered dot clearly if the panel is too large or the colors are similar. We can select the area that includes the unwanted scattered dots. Use the Change Color tool to change the body color to a distinct color. The unwanted scattered dots would be much easier to find. Change the color of the scattered dots and the selected area back to the body color. Translate and check the file is now translated as intended. We will look at another file with striped panel. Click Feeders and then Translate. The file is intended to be a striped jersey. Now it is translated as jacquard, which means there are more than one color on a single course. Go back to SmartGraph to check for the scattered dots. Click File, then Properties. Change the max colors per line to 1. You can see there are red triangles appear to indicate lines exceeds max number of colors set. Sometimes accidental clicks will result in unwanted scattered dots on or outside the panel, so be careful when clicking on the panel to prevent accidentally draw on the panel. Translate again. We can see that the panel now is translated correctly. We can look at another file with knitted collar band. The two sides with cast off using body yarns are incorrect. This indicates the zones and the colors are not matching up. Go back to SmartGraph to check the zones. You can see Zone 2 has one extra row covering the Ravel yarn section. The Ravel yarn section is 8 courses in the color mode, but 7 courses in the zones mode. We need to edit the zone to match. Go back to SmartGraph after editing. Click Feeders, you can see there is no more warnings during feeder setup. Click Translate, you can see the feeder's directions are correct now. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.